Hi there, today I'd like to talk a little about the pigment rose madder. This is a colour that, because of its own unique properties, we still offer and is manufactured to this day by a method used by Winsor and Newton for over 100 years. The raw material for this beautiful pigment is madder root. The dye extracted from this root is soluble in water, so there's a need to bring together or fix this dye with an insoluble substance or base. We mix a hydrate of aluminium or sulfate of calcium with the dye. This insoluble material allows the madder root dye, when dried, to be deposited in a solid rock-like form. This is then ground into a fine pigment powder. This pigment is then ground into a gum arabic solution to form the beautiful colour we know as rose madder. Shown beautifully here as a graduated wash. I hope you've enjoyed understanding the origins of rose madder.